Okay, so the gimbal part I have applied here. Here's the inductor fan. I'm going to step up. This is the side part of the chest. And this is the left side of the chest. And this enables that one would have the motor in here and the fan we have here. So using inductor fan that has a cylindrical drum, taking out and applying in here, I can transport the gear that enters into this bucket, transfer it to another place in the body armor, a cache unit. So whereas I'm just incorporating the structure and then have it scanned with 3D, in, I would apply that in a CAD, so when I print it, I can print doubles of the same type metric system. This should correspond with the biometric range. This is the upper part of the chest armor. Now the opening of the doors, whereas the solar plex will be right here, and this will open up from here like my other robot that I have, and it would move upward like that segment. So it's just a door part. Then I can carbon fiber this, I can fiberglass it, I could do a lot of things with this piece, and it's very light. So the following thing, motor try to the inductor fan, it's very light too, you know, it's very light. And the following thing is to add the coil around the R&D, and on the blade I want to use permanent magnets. So the permanent magnets synchronize the coil. The coil also synchronizes the following coil of the transformer, and that goes up and have the magnet extension coils that allows the long side and the ends to move it upward. So when I finish this and I cut it out the parts and segments, then I can be able to relate that to an aluminum sheet, and then add the iron for the coil, the magnet field, have synchronized nickel neodymium blades to it, and either 200 full rate nickel neodymium magnets, localizing blades. I might have 15 blades, I might have 12 blades, inductor fan, and using a motor. I believe that's 4,000 kilowatts for my motor. So let's drive that. So this enables me to fix in a vertical thrust. It changes function in the other part of the system. This could also be used for cosplay gimmicks. It could also be used for real marine systems, like a submarine system. I'm also going to try to get it for aerodynamics, but I need to know how much pressure I would need to use, because I know I have to have over 1,100 to lift the 200-pound man. So at least 1,100 newtons force. So before I'm going to be using a series of these, so it's going to be like 32 motors, 32 rotaries. So 32 rotaries moving at actually 37 pounds of thrust, whereas this to the 120 millimeter. And 120 millimeter cylindrical inductor fan, which they do have those inductor fans for RC for 122 millimeters with 30 pounds, 32 times. So you get the picture on that. My name is Jermaine Morton. Gotta go. Goodbye.